These are only three muscles are exception. All other muscles, any XYZ muscle, that is derivative of mesoderm. The other structures which are derivative of mesoderm, the second is entire cardiovascular system is derivative of mesoderm. It means heart, blood vessels and blood. These are derivative of mesoderm. But blood has two components. This is the blood cells and plasma. Blood cells, we know these are the three types: RBC, WBC and platelets. Sometimes questions are asked on the subdivision of WBC, all 5 types. Clear? So, all blood cells are derivative of the mesoderm. The next is urinary system. Kidney, ureter and bladder trigone. These are derivative of mesoderm. Posterior wall of female urethra, upper half posterior wall prostatic urethra. These are all derivative of mesoderm. Number 4, genital system is derivative of mesoderm except germ cells. Questions are asked on germ cells, they are derivative of ectoderm. The other important points is spleen, adrenal cortex, dermis of skin, dura mater of brain. They are derivative of mesoderm. These are all questions. Now the next heading is the endoderm. What important structures are derivative of endoderm? Number 1, GIT. From distal part of oral cavity to proximal part of anal canal up to pectinate line. Up to pectinate line. So, this is the derivative of the endoderm. Second is the glands of GIT. They are also derivative of endoderm. Glands of GIT like gastric glands, Brunner's gland of duodenum, Brunner's gland of duodenum, intestinal glands, liver, pancreas. These are all derivative of endoderm. The third is the respiratory system. Is derivative of endoderm. The fourth part, urinary bladder, except bladder trigone. Bladder trigone, major part of urethra. except mesodermal origin. Except mesodermal origin part. So, major part of urethra is derivative of the endoderm. Now, the last germ layer is the ectoderm. What important structures in our body are derivative of ectoderm? First important point, ectoderm is divided or rearranged into three parts. Number one, neural crest cells. Number two, neural ectoderm, and third is the surface ectoderm. So, we begin with the neural crest cells. What structures develop from neural crest cells? It developed number one, melanoblast or melanocytes. Where are they present? They are present in the stratum basale of epidermis. This is a separate question. Melanoblast, they are present in stratum basale of epidermis. Second is Schwann cell. Schwann cells in peripheral nervous system, they are derivative of neural crest cells. Number third is chromaffin cells. Chromaffin cells of adrenal medulla. They are derivative of neural crest cells. Number four, odontoblast of teeth. These are dental cells. They are derivative of neural crest cells. Next is the arachnoid matter and pia mater of brain are also neural crest derivative. One more thing is autonomic ganglia. Autonomic ganglia of autonomic nervous system, they are derivative of neural crest cells. The next heading is the neural ectoderm. Neural ectoderm structures, what structures are derivative of neural ectoderm? Number one, it forms central nervous system, it means brain and spinal cord. Second thing, retina is derivative of neural ectoderm. Number third is the muscles which I told you earlier in sphincter pupillae and dilator pupillae. Now, the next point is the surface ectoderm. What structures develop from surface ectoderm? The structures develop from surface ectoderm. Number one, epidermis of skin. Epidermis of skin except melanocytes. Number two, what else? Hair, nail, enamel of teeth. Next structure is the sweat gland, salivary gland, lacrimal gland, sebaceous gland and mammary gland. These all glands are derivative of surface ectoderm. Then a special point, terminal part of male urethra. Terminal part of male urethra. It is an important question. This is ectodermal derivative. Another point, anal canal below pectinate line. Anal canal below pectinate line. This is ectodermal derivative. So, these are the important structures which are derivative of these three germ layers. Now, the next important topic is the pharyngeal arches. Pharyngeal arches. What are the pharyngeal arches? These are rod-like thickening. Rod-like thickening of mesoderm, which appears in floor of mouth and intrauterine life. In counting, these are 5. Numbered as 1 to 6. Fifth arch